Hello friends and welcome to Couple's Kitchen. Today I will make traditional Serbian breakfast. This meal is very easy made. The only ingredients that you're gonna need are lard or pig fat, 3 full tablespoons of soft cow cheese, 1 egg and 1 medium hot paprika. The first thing you will need to do is cut your paprika. You won't need the whole one. You'll just need this. Not too much. For two people this is enough. Maybe a little bit more. So now cut it to smaller pieces. And that should be it. This is the first step. Take yourself a pan, put it on high heat and let your lard melt. And when the lard melts, you will add your paprika. So now when the lard almost melted, you will put your heat source on a low and then add your paprika. We have added our paprika. Just leave it be on a very low heat so it can soften and not get burned. And when you finish that, you will add your cheese, and then on the finish you will add your egg. See how the paprika has softened? Now we will add cheese. Don't be afraid, maybe we'll sprinkle a little bit, but that is normal. Just be careful. And still your heat is on low, don't turn it higher. Just mix this together. This is traditionally made in village, so this is very old recipe. I remember when I was a kid, my grandma would most of the time make me this in morning before school or before work if we had any chores. And we would mostly eat it with bread, but you can also eat this with cornbread or Serbian meal that is called kačamak. Now we're gonna add our egg. And mix it very fast so it gets everywhere, so it can blend with everything nicely. It's different structure because this is not, see how it's liquid, it's not domestic cheese, it's Bide, so it's from supermarket. But when it's domestic it gets much more like yellow and thick. This is very liquid, but no problem, it will be good. And after 2 to 3 minutes you will need only to fry the egg inside, so 2-3 minutes will be enough for everything. Just mix it so it doesn't get burned. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, consider subscribe, like or share. Ciao!